Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can sign a PSN account out of all the logged in devices it's in. You have a PSN account that's logged in many devices, and now you want to log out that account from other devices, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out a PSN account of all accounts in very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do. It's a very simple process. You'll do it in no time. So, the first thing you have to do in order to sign a PSN account out of all devices is open a browser and go to playstation.com. Once you go to playstation.com, you land in an interface like this. Now from here, what you need to do is select the country that you created your account from. So once you select that country, you will be redirected to a new page, and now here you need to make sure that you are logged into your PSN account that you want to log out of other all devices from. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, you land an interface like this. Now from here, what you need to do is simply go into your profile icon, then tap on account settings. Once you tap on account settings, you'll be redirected to a new page, and this is your account settings of your PSN account. Now from here, what you need to do is simply go into your security settings, then a pop-up like this will open. Tap continue. Once you tap on the continue button, here you land an interface like this, and here on the bottom right corner you'll see an option labeled as sign out of all devices. So to sign out your PSN account from all other devices, what you need to do is simply tap on this button. Then you'll see a pop-up warning like this telling you that you'll be signed out of all apps and other services on all the devices. So tap on the continue button. Once you tap on the continue button, your PSN account will be logged out of all devices it has been logged into. So those are the simple steps in order to log out your PSN account from all other devices. So that will wait for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.